Maranatha House, nestled within the leafy embrace of Neutral Bay, stood as a palimpsest of Sydney's architectural history. Suramma, its original sandstone heart, whispered tales of the late 1880s, a time when the surrounding Warringa Park was but a dream. Decades of additions, like layers of sediment, had obscured its initial form, a testament to the ever-evolving needs of its inhabitants. The 1958 subdivision, with its awkward battle-axe access, further complicated its relationship with the street, casting a shadow over its once proud facade. Bijl Architecture, tasked with restoring coherence to this fragmented narrative, approached the project with the delicate hand of an archaeologist, peeling back time to reveal the underlying structure. The challenge was not simply to renovate, but to unify. Existing spaces, disparate and disconnected, cried out for a cohesive language. Strict heritage and planning regulations, however, imposed rigid constraints, demanding a subtle, almost surgical approach. Rather than imposing a radical transformation, the architects focused on refining and clarifying existing connections. The project became an exercise in meticulous spatial analysis, a deep dive into the fundamental elements that define the house. Each doorway, window, and wall was scrutinized, its potential for connection and articulation explored. The design team employed art-like framing strategies, aligning external and internal views to create a sense of fluidity and openness, dissolving the traditional boundaries of the floor plan. Light became a primary tool in this spatial alchemy. Generous natural light, filtered through glazed, steel-framed elements, countered the weight of the original masonry walls. A new stair void, strategically placed, served as a conduit for light and a dramatic backdrop for the in-situ artwork, AES. This collaborative masterpiece, forged from the combined talents of artist, architect, supplier, builder, and joiner, became a focal point, a testament to the power of integrated design. The palette of materials, deliberately minimalist, provided a neutral canvas for the homeowner's art collection and furnishings, allowing the interplay of light and shadow to define the space. The concept of layering extended beyond the physical, encompassing the liminal spaces between inside and out. Sensitive landscaping, borrowing from the lush greenery of the neighboring park, blurred the lines between the built environment and the natural world. Decorative and indirect illuminations, carefully orchestrated, transformed the dwelling into an artwork in itself, a symphony of light and form. The architects had not merely renovated a house, they had curated an experience, a journey through layers of time and space. In the end, Maranatha House emerged as a testament to the power of thoughtful intervention. It was a dwelling that honored its past while embracing the present, a harmonious blend of history and modernity. Bijl Architecture had succeeded in spatially unifying the house, not through grand gestures, but through a series of subtle, artful refinements. The house, once a collection of disparate spaces, now flowed seamlessly, its layers interwoven into a cohesive whole, a living artwork in the heart of Neutral Bay.